Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a try on first impression for the palette called the ZULU by Juvias Place. I actually got it in the mail the other day. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited to try this on. This is actually next to the NYX Cosmetics palette and the BH foil ones that I've used in previous videos. This is the next most colorful palette that I actually own, so I'm super excited. Anyways, when you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. Super beautiful. Oh. And then this is what the colors look like. Oh, they're gorgeous. Actually have no idea what sort of look I'm gonna go for, but we're just gonna give it a whirl. So aside from this product, I'm also gonna be using the Maybelline concealer, the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I heard great reviews on this. If you're interested in watching me do a little bit of a colorful look with this palette, go ahead and keep watching. We're gonna start off by moisturizing with, we wanna make sure that our face is completely moisturized before we put on tons of layers of makeup. Now we wanna go ahead and we wanna prime the face. So today for primer, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Primer. And I'm gonna be using this mostly on the places where I have bigger pores. So like my nose is somewhere that I just have a giant pothole pore. And this is perfect because what it does is it just fills in all the pores and it leaves a nice smooth finish. We're gonna go ahead today and we're gonna use the Fenty foundation. So we're gonna use the Fenty primer. And I'm just gonna put that in the rest of my face. I like this primer a lot because it's very hydrating. It's very hydrating and very lightweight, and it does not leave my face oily or anything like that. It's perfect for a everyday sort of look, which I guess is what Rihanna was going for with that sort of makeup. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna color correct some of our dark spots and a little bit of our under eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange color. I like to blend this out with a brush. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 250. Gonna give that a little bit of a shake. Today I want a little bit more of a dewy sort of look, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix this in with the Tarteist Pro Glow in the shade Stunner. I'm gonna mix it in the back of my hand, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of a drop like that, and then a few pumps of the Fenty Beauty. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix it and apply. Now that the foundation's been blended out, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna conceal with using the Maybelline to blend out my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this little brush right here from Crown Cosmetics that I got in my BoxyCharm subscription. For contour today, I'm gonna be using my favorite kit. It's the Ulta Beauty Contour Kit. And I'm gonna be going into the shade medium. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to set that cream contour with the Park Ave Princess palette from Tarte Cosmetics, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use the shade Carrot with a little bit of the shade Princess Cut. Now while that's baking, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And we're gonna wipe away the highlight. Now today for blush, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be using the Milani Romantic Rose Powder Blush. Now for my favorite part for highlight, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set our face. I went ahead and I used the Master Fix from Maybelline. And now that our face is a little bit dewy, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab a Morphe highlighting brush and I'm gonna mix the shades Starlight Glow from e.l.f. Cosmetics and the Master Holographic from Maybelline, the little like, it's like purple. Now, since for the eyes, I know I'm gonna be using a lot of bright colors. For my lips today, I'm gonna be using a ColourPop metallic lipstick in the shade Tight Fit. Then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is actually I'm gonna mix it in a little bit with some gloss. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with this pink shade up here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix the brown shade with a little bit of the purple shade, and I'm gonna deepen that crease. After we go ahead and we blend those two shades, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer in the back of my hand. And I'm going to sort of cut a crease. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab a smaller brush. I'm gonna go into that orange shade, and I'm gonna sort of mimic that crease. Now, with that same brush, I'm gonna clean it out. I'm gonna clean it. And I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Well, I'm gonna grab the Kylie Cosmetics loose powders in the shade Santorini. I'm gonna spray that with some Fix Plus. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna go over right on top of that cut crease to give me a little bit of a shimmer. then we'll go and we'll fix it with the orange shade to make sure that there are no crazy harsh lines. Now with a slightly larger fluffy brush, I'm gonna grab the yellow shade in the palette. And I'm gonna put that right here, right there. Okay, I'm gonna build up the pigment on here. Now I'm gonna go ahead for the bottom lash. I'm gonna grab the shimmery like turquoise color. And that's it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'm gonna put some eyeliner and lashes and I'll be right back. I went ahead and I used the Clinique eyeliner and I also used the Sephora velour lashes. I went ahead and I popped some black eyeliner in my waterline and some more inner corner highlight. I used the Stila eyeshadows, the glitter and glow ones in Diamond Dust. Anyway guys, this is the finished look. If you guys want to see me do more colorful videos like this one, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys want to see more of my videos, you know what to do. Subscribe and turn on that post notification so that you get notified every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you guys are having a good day or night wherever you are, and thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.